Go. I'm so sorry, man. This is my first time ever doing a Facebook Live.
No sweat, my man. How are you, Ryan?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Oh, look at me. I'm a mess. Hold on a second. I got to make sure my phone doesn't get all
right.
squirrely. You know, technology's great when it works.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
there goes. Everything's falling apart on me.
I tried to run the live from the computer, and that was a big mistake. So it's so much easier.
That was the problem. It was because you were on the computer, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we learned, right? That's what's cool about business. You
Live and learn. Ryan, you are on freaking fire. Oh my God. And it's so great to have another dude to talk to about not just skincare, but the business opportunity. We're like sitting on top of a powder keg of excitement. My whole team is exploding. Your team is growing. And it's awesome to see. It's awesome to see. Yeah. You've been working with us for how long now?
It's a lot of fun. So it's been like right at a month now.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. And then when I first started, I had no idea. Like I just saw, because I was doing YouTube videos and I was noticing more things on my face. I was like, wow, you know, being quarantined, you start to like reflect on yourself a little more. You have some time to take a pause and look at yourself. And I was like in my YouTube videos, like, I need some whiter teeth and I'm getting these wrinkles. I need to fix that stuff. And Lisa was like posting about toothpaste, and I was like, oh, I got to ask her about the toothpaste.
Yeah, the AP24 whitening toothpaste has been amazing. You that's what you started your business with, right?
Yeah. So started, just got some toothpaste, tried it out, and I was like, this is phenomenal. Actually, I bought it, and I actually posted my first post about the toothpaste before even receiving it. I just knew that it was going to be great because I trust Lisa, and she's, you know, a dental hygienist. So I was like, all right. I put it out there. I had already sold, I think, like 5 or 6 tubes of toothpaste before I even got mine in. So I was already like making money. So
people can make money the very first day, and it's as easy as posting. And you hadn't even tried the product, but that just goes to show that people are looking for things like that. They have mass appeal. And the double bonus is when they deliver on results, you're like, wow, you're gonna have a customer for life now there. And I've been doing this for 10 years, and it has never disappointed me. Not just the products, which have been amazing, but the business opportunity has been, it's been quite a lifeline at times for me, because I'm an actor. Every gig's got a closing curtain. So there have been months where I haven't worked, and I've got 2 little girls now, and providing for them is paramount. So I needed to find an alternative revenue stream that I could work without conflicting anything else that I'm already doing. When this opportunity came around, it fit perfectly with my needs. Free business opportunity, work from cell phone wherever I am, whether it's here in Los Angeles or in Bulgaria shooting Sharknado, or wherever I have cell reception, whether I'm on a beach on vacation. I can be working my business. Right now I'm home. My kids are outside. I'm home. As a matter of fact, the rest of the world is pretty much at home too. So in a downturned economy where so many people are unemployed or furloughed or put out to pasture for whatever reason, well, things are on hold. I'm home making it pop. I'm cracking at it. This is just amazing. I've been doing these little live meet and greets and opportunity meetings all morning. Here I am talking to you. First and foremost, congratulating you. Did you just turn executive?
So I got first step to executive, and we're on the fast track. So it should be done, I think, by next month. I should be executive.
That's great, Ryan. It took me 4 or 5 months to do that. I didn't have the benefit of social media when I started 10 years ago. And now things are moving super fast. It's an extraordinary time economically in our world to be involved with a direct sale company that deals out personal care products, but it's also an extraordinary business opportunity because there is no downside. There's no risk. You can start a business, literally start a business unheard of for free. Partner with an international publicly traded company that does business in 50 countries around the world, have top tier executives support, train, mentor you, use the celebrity cachet of Beverly Hills 90210 because you're working with Tori and I. But you know, it's
I love
well,
the show.
I loved it too, and I appreciate it. But you know what?
Yeah.
We've started Team 90210 to help raise awareness to our business. And it's an incredible advantage that our team has. It's one of the reasons why we're one of the fastest moving teams in North America. And we're growing by leaps and bounds because we're finding like-minded, driven, motivated people like you who get the business opportunity and kind of dig the fact that the products of the business help me maintain a youthfulness and a good lookingness. And, you know, it's just all about increasing your youth span.
Yeah. Well, it's interesting too, because like you said about the business part, the reason why I was really excited about that is I'm in real estate investment is my main gig. And when it happened, I wasn't allowed to go look for properties. And then also the investors that I look for, they weren't even buying properties. So I was literally sitting here with nothing to do money wise. And so I had to jump on something. And this one, I was able to make money literally the first day that I started. And it was just, it was
You're not alone. There's a lot of newbies who have jumped into qualification and are on their way to becoming an executive. And one of the most amazing things is when you become an executive, you have the opportunity to earn free travel. I've been to Iceland, South Africa, Bermuda, a cruise around the Southern Caribbean, Ireland. I won a trip to Sydney, Australia, a cruise around New Zealand. Now, what I just mentioned sounds like a lifetime of travel, right? It's like, oh, if you did all that in your life, that's a well-traveled person. Dude, that's only been in the last 3 years. It gets to a point where business is exploding so much. And again, you have to nurture your business. You can't like sign up like, oh, I can't wait. No, you got to invest some time. There's no elevator that's going to take you to success. You got to walk the floors. But I'm here to tell you, I've seen the view from the top, and it's worth every step of the way. Because if you if you can earn residual leveraged income and have it become an annuity in a business that you start, that you own, you could will to your kids or sell one day. Well, I'm looking at like it's helping me right now, but this is going to be retirement income. I'm working it right now. I'm very proactive, but one day I'm going to say, you know what? This team is autopilot. I'll check in on occasion, but I'm not going to do 10 live broadcasts a day. It's going to be time to retire. And then the business is going to continue because we've been so successful teaching and training others how to teach others. And tell me, what's your take on the support that you've gotten, the skill sets that you're able to grow? Where do you find all your information? How are you learning?
Okay. Yeah. So what's really cool is I've never seen something that is so simple step by step. Because a lot of products they try to have you like become a marketing like genius and things like that. This one is the complete opposite. They're like, if you just keep it simple, like don't try to go above and beyond. Don't try to be like overly creative. They're like, just keep it simple. Here, go to the Team 90210 training group. There's the group on Facebook has every answer. If you ever have any question, you reach out in the group, they answer it. It's like instantaneously too, because everyone is helping everyone because they know like if a customer has a question right now, one of our thousands of representatives on our team will answer it right now. And it's really cool because like even me, brand new, I don't know anything about anything yet. I'm learning, I'm using. But if I have a question, I simply go to the person who referred me, which is Lisa, or I go to the group and I get answers from you and from Tori and from everybody. It's just so amazing.
Let me ask you a question. In the real estate office, if someone comes in and says, hey, I want you guys to sell my house, the person who owns the real estate firm says, okay, Ryan, you work with this guy and you sell his house, okay? So the owner of the real estate company gets a piece of that, and so do you, correct?
Yes.
Does the other realtor sitting next to you get any of that? What about anybody else in the firm, the people two cubicles over, does anybody else get a piece of that?
No, only direct
So it's you and the owner. Okay.
Correct.
So in our business, our success comes from helping others be successful. So that's like working in a real estate company, a real estate firm like yours, where you got a percentage of everyone else's business that comes in.
Right.
So when someone needs, hey, can I use your GPS? You're going to be like, here you go.
Yeah.
You know, just got a brand new $5,000 garment. Here you go. It's not the way it is in your business. Like, no, you know what? My pencils are for me.
Yeah.
I need this for my business. But in our business, because we succeed by helping others, literally, there's more help than you could even imagine.
Well, and it's really cool too, because when you help somebody and then they have a little success or a little win because of what you provided help-wise, it's like it gives you this extra feeling of like, yes, you know, I helped them, even if you didn't like. You know, it's really cool as far as everything goes.
What you're experiencing is the noble charge. You've done something.
Yeah.
You haven't just given a person a fish, you've taught them how to fish.
Right.
And then they can go on. Like for me, I used to be chasing the dollars. Like everyone does when they first get involved. Hey, I need to make some money. Let's, you know, make it happen. And as you do it, as you become consistent, your success grows and you look over your shoulder and you realize, well, my success only happened because I've helped other people in my wake be successful too. And then you realize, wow, this person is making their car payments off of their new skin business. This person's sending their kid away to summer camp. This person's going on a vacation that they never. This woman's buying shoes that she has no business spending $700 on a pair of shoes, but she doesn't want to tell her husband, okay. You know, it feels good when you're in the service of others and they succeed on something that comes from your behest. It's like the purpose. So now I'm chasing the purpose. Like now I'm so supercharged in wanting to help people because I've been doing this 10 years. The money, don't get me wrong, money is great. And it's getting better, especially when, you know, things are in the crapper. But man, I'm so excited to see the team explode because we're attracting smart, bright, motivated people who are driven to be successful and are willing to do the work. And by the way, you mentioned the work. It's not like schlepping boxes. I see the UPS guy busting his ass every day. I feel so, I want to tell him about the opportunity, but he doesn't have time to talk to me. He's always so busy. Me, I'm busy. My kids are in the other room. I'm sitting here. It's beautiful outside in California. You're nearby too. Where are you, Florida? Yeah, you just moved to California. So it's like, no, I don't want to work hard for a living. I want to work smart for a lifestyle. And that's what we're doing. That's what's going to.
Well, it's interesting you mentioned that too, because I was thinking I need to get some little cards made up because we order all of our stuff now from like Instacart, Uber Eats and all that. These people are delivering food, already doing a side gig. I'm like, you're out in the sun doing hard work here. You should come work from us and you can work from your phone, you know? Like give them an extra opportunity.
Not a bad way to market. You can recruit anybody. I always look to recruit up. I look for people that are more skilled and better off than I am. Those are the people that understand. So that's what I always look for. But recruit everybody. I mean, every no is going to get you closer to a yes. And Ryan, I really got to commend you. You're sticking to it. You're doing. I saw your Lumi spa in the shower. You're a madman. You're a madman. I loved it. It was great. You inspired me. I'm like, oh damn, I should be doing that. So I'm gonna figure out some kind of wall mount in my shower and do it. It was like you really shamed me. I'm like, damn.
Yeah, it worked out perfect. So we had just gotten back from the beach, and I told my girlfriend Jamie, I was like, "All right, Jamie, record me. This is gonna be so cheesy, but I was
doesn't matter. It was real.
Like, I brought my Lumi spa. This thing is freaking incredible, man. It's like the coolest thing ever.
Right. The Lumi spa. I've got the facial spa. I use their AgeLock skincare daily. That's the stuff that works on a genetic level to reverse the signs of aging. Been using it for 10 years. I think that my youth span has increased because of that. You know, there's so many amazing products. The toothpaste, they sell toothbrushes. Hello, they're awesome.
Yeah.
I like the Glacial Marine Mud Mask. I'll use the the polishing peel before the mud mask. There's just so many that right now what's on fire is like the Instaglow sunless tanner. People really want a tan, but don't really want to sit in the sun and burn themselves up. This is a buildable tan where you put it on, it develops in an hour. If you want to go a little darker, you put a little more on. It doesn't streak, it doesn't smell. It's awesome. You know, people are making businesses out of that, and I couldn't be happier about it.
Yeah, it's funny with the tanner too, because so my girlfriend, she always uses tanner, but we have to use gloves. You know, you got to put these gloves on before you put it on. But now that we're using the Instaglow, you just put it on normal. You don't have to use gloves. You wipe it right on. It comes right off of your hands, and it's an even. It comes off evenly. It goes on evenly.
You're right. It is amazing. So lots of great products. If anyone's watching this,
and it's also,
I think there's a few people watching right now, but if anyone watches this either now or later, please message below if you're excited about any of the products or want any more details. Ryan will let you know. If you want to consider doing this as a business, know that you'll be my partner too, and I'll help you grow that business. It would be my pleasure, my honor. Yeah. Really, I'd feel honored to be able to have something that I could help people with.
Well, I do like the fact that we're Team 90210. That's so cool. We get to leverage working with you. The celebrity aspect of it is really cool too. The actual the credibility. I mean, it's just incredible. Like the products are incredible. The team is incredible. The income is cool. I've actually been using some of the income really to buy new products. I'm like reinvesting.
That's great.
Into
because then you could talk passionately, authentically about things that you're using. And if you get great results, there's not going to be any way to shut you up about it. So it's like, it's not like you're going to buy your third hammer. You know, these are all things that you're going to use that have mass appeal, and that others are going to dig as well. So just, you know, do what you're doing, man. It's inevitable. I'm looking forward to meeting you. You know, there's me, there's another guy, Mark. We've got Steve in England. The boss bros are coming on.
Yeah, I know. The men will make a huge impact too, because this stuff is great for men.
Oh, absolutely. For sure. Absolutely. It's growing by leaps and bounds. But in the meantime, Ryan, so nice of you to invite me on your live. I really appreciate it. It's great working with you. I commend you on your very quick success. I know you're learning every day, and you'll be able to teach others how to do the same. They should message you if they want some interest. And if you want me to get on the phone with any of these people, I'd be happy to as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. It was awesome talking to you today. I'll talk to you soon. And once everything's cleared up, we'll go do lunch in person.
Take care, pal.
All right.
Bye.
Talk to you later.